In the Philippines, it's really big. You can find it in the Philippines. Okay? Next one. What is it? Letter A, little shark. Letter B, tarsier. Or letter C, eagle. What is that? Letter C, if you say eagle. Very good. Eagle is correct. Next one. What is it? Letter A, little shark. Letter B, tarsier. Or letter C, eagle. Okay, what is it? We say tarsier. Tarsier. Tarsier is correct. Very good. Okay, now this time, do you want to dance? Do you want to dance? No. Who wants to dance? Raise your hand. Okay, we do want to dance. In the Philippines, we dance this one. Okay, everybody say tinik-tinik. Tinik-ling. Tinik-ling. Alright, and this is how we dance it. Okay, and that's how we dance it in the Philippines. When you dance this one, do not let your foot or your ankle, everybody say ankle, ankle. Do not let it be hit by the bamboo pole. No, because it's too painful. Everybody say painful. Okay, next one. Next one is the binasuan. Okay, these are the games in the Philippines. This is called, everybody say jump over the cow. Everybody say cow. What is the sound of the cow? Everybody say moo, moo. Okay, attention. Attention. Okay, this is how we, what is this? What animal is this? What is this? It is a cow. Now, what is the Chinese for cow? Munyo. Okay, munyo. And this is how we play it.
Gawin mo na nila ito. Maiba kaya. Pero ako rin nakita siya, ulitin naman nila. Sabi nila sa ako, maiba kaya. Kaya naiba si siya, kaya siya ang kaya. Ayan, siya ng kaya lang gawin mo na. Ayan, itira sila. Pero sabi ni Dixie, ako muna. Ayan, tumira na lang si Vince kasi ako tumigay. Di ka nga ako ayan, ako sakit. Ayan, sige, pagkita mo na kasi.
That is the level 1. Easy round. Easy.
Ito eh.
Level 2.
Hindi muna siya, pero ayaw pang kumalon. Sabi niya, ito na nga, ito na nga. Ayun, tapos ito naman si Vince. Ito na si Vince kasi magaling siya dito eh. Yan naman siya. Yan, kaya-kaya ko po ako yun. Kasi yung mga bata kami, ito na ako yung paghapon. Ang dami ng bata niya, paghapon na sa akin.
Level 3.
Ganda mag-team baka, tsaka hindi ka masyado gusto ang cellphone. Hindi pa naman talaga gusto ang cellphone ng mga 90s. Kaya sige, tumalong na. Ayun, sumaya, sabi siya. Taya ka. Kaya na nga, sige. Sige lang, kaya at mag-work ko siya. Tapos, bilis naman.
If you miss, you're out.
Kasi tawaran yung tatlo kasi tawag-tawa sila kay Dave kasi isa yung kampanya sa mga. Sabi ni Dave, sakit ko ng paa niya, sabi ng kanila. Hindi daw masakit yun eh. Sabi ni Dave, hindi naman daw masakit niya. Kaya hindi ko sa kanila sa kami tatlo kasi. Kaya okay, sige niya, hindi masyadong masakit yung paa niya. Kaya siya nataya talaga. Tumalong si Dave na yun, kasi naguban pa rin naman sa sakit. Tapos siya tatransition kasi mababa lang naman. Kaya tumalong siya. Tapos
Okay, and that's it. That is jump over the cow. Next one. Everybody say Sika. Sika. Now that is what we are going to play this afternoon. Okay, first, how do you play it? First one. Hello. First one, you use your hand. You use your hand to toss the Sika. 2, 3, 4. Okay, count up to 4. Okay. Everybody say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the fifth one, everybody say 5. 5. The fifth one should be a chicken. Everybody say chicken. Chicken. Okay, so you do this. Okay? Now, let's do it one more time. In 3, 2, 1, go. One more time. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm out. Okay, so I only did 14. This time, let's play a game. Whoever, I will choose one person per class versus one person from another class. For example, yes, you come here. And from your class, come here. Later. If you keep on talking, I will not call you. Okay. Your turn. You do it like that, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Let's count together. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you only did 3. How about you? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you only did 2. So he is the winner because he did 3. Okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But you did not do the chicken. Okay. Oh, first, let's do the hand first, okay? right? A different class? Okay, come here. Okay. From which class are you? 3, 3, 0. From which class? 301, 302, 303. Oh, you don't know. Okay. Your turn. Ready? Oh, rock, paper, scissors. Paper, paper, scissors, stone. Okay, you first. Ready? You do as many as you can. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you did 9. How about you? Okay, let's use your hand, okay? Ready? Let's count together in 3, 2, 1, go. 1. He is the winner. Next one. From this class. Are you done? Are you classmates? No? Okay. You. And are you classmates? You're classmates. Classmates? Okay. Come here. 1 and 2. Come here. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, stone. Paper, scissors, stone. Okay, you're the first one. Let's count together. In 3, 2, 1. Count. 1. Oh, 3. How about you? Okay, how about in this class? I want the excuse me, from the back. Okay. I want okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Paper, scissors, stone. Paper, scissors, stone. All right, you're the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, 3 only. Next one. Next one from this class. Yes, you do. And from this Okay, ready? You did it first. Let's count together in 3, 2, 1. Count. 1, 2. They got 3. Right here, right here, right. Okay, the one in yellow, yellow, yellow.
这个我也会，但是也弄不
Yes,
抢给我，
you.
我也可以。
And the girl in white, white button. Come here.
那你们都喜欢这样子。
This is the last round before we go. Okay, ready? Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, last one, last round. We have you and you. Come here. Last round. All right. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2. Oh, congratulations. Okay, attention. Attention. Hello, hello.